be baking a pumpkin loaf, and I already started on the butter. Okay, and then here it is. I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 40 to 45 minutes. And just like that, it's done.
It's me, I do Drake and Mummy are like two people who don't want to be followed.
Good morning, you guys. It is a new day and I wanted to start a new vlog. I did vlog my last date night with my husband, which was so fun. We had a delicious pumpkin loaf that I baked for us, and then we enjoyed a movie after that, and we love watching the Harry Potter series right now, so it has been so fun watching those together. Yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along with me as I prepare to start decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited to be vlogging again, and I hope you guys are having a lovely day. We are going to get started by going to Target and running some errands. Alright guys, Target was a success and I'm gonna head back home and I'll show you guys what I got. Hi friends, I am back home from doing a little shopping at Target. I also went to go get gas, so basically some errands. I also stopped at church in the morning, so I did a few errands and now I'm home. It's still pretty early on in the day, and I think I'm gonna make a little bit of coffee now and make myself some breakfast. So let's get started and come along with me. I also want to say one more thing before I get started with breakfast. I just want to say that I will show everything that I got at Target and do like a little haul. I have not decorated for Christmas yet. If you have, I am so jealous because I wanted to do it like November 1st or 2nd, but unfortunately it's been such a busy week for me that I did not get a chance to even take out my decor. So I want to get started by just showing you guys like the things that I bought this year so far, and then get out all of the old stuff later on. But first, let's get some breakfast. So I'm going to be making this quiche. I got it from Target. I'm sorry, not Target, from Trader Joe's. And it's this like broccoli cheddar quiche that has 16 grams of protein, and I think it's so delicious. I love having this when I don't feel like cooking either, but I need something more substantial. So I'm going to be having that and making myself some coffee, and I'll show you guys what that looks like after. It is so delicious and quick. So here it is. This is the quiche after it's done. It gets kind of crispy. And then here is my coffee with some cinnamon, and I frothed my half and half on top. I'm gonna do some work, but first I'm going to finish this. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how good this looks. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's been a few hours later. I finished my breakfast and it is now 1:05. So yeah, I did have a late breakfast today, but that's okay. Also want to say I've been loving this lip tint from Rhode. I really like it. I leave it in my purse and I just apply it. Now that we're getting into the more cold season, I have been reaching for this a lot more than I was in the summer. So yeah, I've always been a lip balm person, so this was a little different for me because I would say this is more on the lip gloss side. But nonetheless, I still really like it. It's really pretty to wear out and about. And it has a little hint of pink in it, so that's really pretty. But I wanted to show you guys now some of the Christmas stuff that I got today at Target. I didn't get everything today. I did get some of the stuff a few days ago when I was there. So first of all, as you can see, I have this white, beautiful stocking that has this kind of like a textured material to it, and I also got the green one. I surprisingly don't have a stocking stuffer already. I think I have one that is white and green only, so I may return one of these. I may return this one, we'll see. But I would love to have two, one for myself and one for my husband, of course. And they also have a red, I believe, and this is just by the brand Wonder Shop, and they were $10 each. The next thing are ornaments. Let me grab those. And for the ornaments, I had a hard time picking a color theme that I really felt like was my style. I was really close to getting them from Amazon because they have really pretty ones there too, but anyway, I went with these. These are really pretty. They're like a gold and white color. Like, I would say this is a beige. It has a gold and then another type of gold in them. And then I have the bag. I have a goodie bag in here with all of the stuff that I've been getting from Target lately. I don't know if these are going to look good, so we'll see. We'll walk together with this stuff, but I picked these up. It's from the same brand, Wonder Shop. They were only $3. So yeah, these are really pretty. I can't wait to see how they look. There's a set of 14. For $3 is a pretty good price, I would say. So I also got this tree cookie cutter, and I really like this. I only have one that is a star, surprisingly, so I thought I would pick this one up for making cookies and be a little bit more festive than just having a star. So I actually really did need this, and I like the ones from Target specifically because they don't rust or anything. So yeah. One other thing that I got that I don't have at all is these really cute hand towels. I think I'm gonna put these in my bathroom, or maybe just like use one in the bathroom and then one in the kitchen. We'll see. But when I bought them, I originally was thinking more for the bathroom, but now that I'm thinking about it, since it does come with two, I could put one in the kitchen and then, you know, one in the bathroom. I don't know if I really want to keep my tree neutral, like a lot of gold, or if I should add some red in there because I have a lot of red ribbon. So I don't know if I want to keep it like that traditional Christmas tree look or go a little bit more on the neutral side. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I picked this up from, again, like their Wonder Shop section, and this was $3. I just thought it was so pretty to add to a wreath or just to hang it on itself. I have two more things that are kind of similar because I don't know which one I want to keep. I don't know which one's gonna look better on the tree, but I'll show you guys. So this one is the first one that I had originally bought. I got this online and it's from the same brand, Wonder Shop, and it was only $3. But I also saw another one today in person, and it is a little bit more pricey, but I do also really like the color of the gold. So I'm not sure which one I want to keep. So this is by the brand Threshold, and the color of it is like a much more darker gold. I think it's a more sophisticated look to it than this more artificial yellow gold, but I think that either one can look good. I just have to play with it and see which one is gonna look better on the tree. And then another thing to keep in mind is that this gold is kind of similar to the like snowflakes that I got originally as well, because they are the same brand. We'll see together which ones look better. The last thing that I got last thing, guys, is a beautiful wreath. I don't have one, and I have a specific location where I want this wreath to go. I want it to go on top of like the stove vent, so that your eye kind of lifts higher, which feels a little bit bigger in the kitchen. And I don't remember how much this was, but I want to say it was like around $10. So not so bad, and it doesn't look like fake or anything. And this is by the brand Heart and Hand, and it's a 12-inch artificial wreath. And you can always add like a ribbon, or I don't know how the bells will look with it, maybe. You know, you can play around with it. And yeah, that is what I got. I started looking online with time. For the first time in my life ever, I actually was invested and kept looking online. So I hope that everything looks beautiful once it goes up. We'll do all of this together. I still have to check out my decor, so we'll see how it all looks. But I just thought I would show you guys everything that I got. I also want to show you guys something really quick. So I recently designed this Christmas tree when I bought these things from Amazon, like the paper and the charcoal pencils. I showed that in one of my vlogs from October, and this is a copy. I got this frame from Target, but isn't this so pretty for Christmas? I really love it. So when I start decorating, I'll have to find a spot for this.